when it comes to that, huh? We just get cold, don't we, Trooper? 70 degrees isn't quite warm enough.
Hard to believe he could be cold with all those rolls. Look at him. He's got rolls from his tail all the way to his forehead.
He's lost so much weight.
Yeah.
Trooper, I wish the fire was more on the ground, though.
Well, I think they try to keep from burning the entire valley to the ground.
I know. It just makes your legs warmer when it comes up.
I think your little guy there would like a sip of wine.
I don't give wine to my dog.
Well, you should. Oh, you're about to. What a spot. Keep an eye on dinner, buddy. It's noon on November something or other, 8th or 9th, I can't remember. We're at the top at the ancient bristlecone pines. Just drove in. It's noon, 39 degrees, beautiful out. And so we're gonna drive up and see what exhibits they have. There is a roadside exhibit here Jeannie's looking at, but it's so weather beaten that it's not really that easy to read. So we'll see what we find and we'll keep you posted. Best part of this whole thing is that we're the only people out here. Not a soul to be seen.
It's only a half-mile loop or a full mile.
Single leaf pinyon pine. And this is a half-mile loop trail, self-guided in the forest here. Good evening. We just got kind of set up a little bit at Grass Creek Campground. This is off the 395.
Close to June Lake.
Yeah, near June Lake, north of Mammoth, or near Mammoth. We're not sure yet. It's on the Mammoth Loop.
10 miles
Yeah.
outside of the town of Mammoth.
Yeah, it's really chilly. It's 4:30. The sun's already down.
Like 40 degrees.
Yeah, there's one
39, 40.
one big RV over that way behind us, way off in the distance.
Right
And then, yeah, and then a gentleman who pulled in kind of to the west of us, and he's got a campfire going. But other than that, this is a huge campground. There's nobody here.
30 or 40 spots at least.
Yeah, probably 30 or 40 spots, according to Jeannie. Trooper's trying to get in my lap because I have a beer and he wants his rightful portion thereof. Fire
Going.
We found a pile of wood lying here that somebody already cut and gathered, so we assume it's okay to burn it. And yeah, we're gonna sit for a little bit, and got the trailer heating up so it's warm for everybody in a little bit. Got the heater going inside. It was at 49 degrees inside the trailer when I went in. So
Yeah, I think it's at, did it say 39 when we pulled in, or 40?
No, I think it was 39 when we pulled into the parking lot here in the sun. So there you go. Obviously we're working our way north, and that's what it is for now.
I'm afraid our furnace isn't working, but let's just put it out of our minds and turn to the lamentations of Jeremiah. And he was cast into the fiery cauldron of hell, the searing heat, the scalding rivers of molten sulfur.
Oh, I'm there.
Okay, it's November 9th at 7:02 in the morning. It's 1 degree. We just left Glassy Creek Campground. We got there last night. It was 39 degrees. We were kind of amazed at how empty it was. We had a campfire, cooked dinner, and woke up around midnight and saw the temperature gauge inside the trailer showing the exterior temperature as 9 degrees. The heater was on all night. We had the dog wrapped in a nice blanket. But we got up this morning and it was 4 degrees when I was hooking the trailer up.
To 2.
Okay, it's warmed up to 2, so our temperature's doubled.
It was 1. Oh, now it's 3.
So we're hopeful that pipes are okay. I didn't notice any bulging or anything under the sinks, so we'll get to someplace warm and see how we're doing. So we were gonna stay there for a few days, but guess what? We're getting the hell out of there. We're gonna hit Tioga Pass and head to the west side of the Sierra, where it's a toasty 26 degrees at night. There you have the update for the morning. Oh, it's 10 degrees. Oh my God, I'm sweltering. We're in Yosemite. Okay, we are in Yosemite Valley. We're on a waiting list to see if there's a place open. We find out at 3 o'clock. But to be honest, we've decided to heck with that. We've called Indigenous Sellers or Harvest Hosts in Sonora. They're a couple hours away. We'll stay there for a night, maybe 2, get a hotel room someplace a 3rd night, then come back to Yosemite for the week. But we decided for our inconvenience and frustration, we're using the showers here. So I'm walking to the shower area. Jeannie already 1 step ahead of me. We'll get a good shower and then we'll be on the road. Bye-bye. Big thank you to Indigenous Reserve for allowing us to stay for a couple of nights. We've visited before, so we were familiar with their great cider. The staff was incredibly friendly, and we just had a wonderful time hanging out there.
That place is a little scary.
Ah, fantastic. Okay. That's a hole in the ground. We left Indigene and drove into Sonora, where we hit Yoshoku Ramen Noodle Bar. Great stop. If you're in Sonora, stop there. It's really a unique experience. From Sonora, we drove into Columbia State Historical Park, and it's basically an 1850s gold mining town that's operating today. It's really fun. There are a lot of families there, lots of things to do and walk around. There's exhibits and museums and a great candy store. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video when we visit Yosemite. Bye bye.